The performance of your website is an area that search engines have started taking a lot more seriously in recent years. To that end, Google released what they call Core Web Vitals in 2020. These are scores on how well each page on your website performs, how fast it loads, how accessible it is to those on slower internet connections, and how efficiently it renders. The big driving force behind Core Web Vitals has been the rise of mobile devices and the emergent internet around the globe, both high growth areas where internet speeds typically aren't at the same level that you'd have at a place like an office. Core Web Vitals have three specific calculations, and they are a mouthful: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Largest contentful paint measures loading performance, how quickly the main content of your page is loaded. A good measuring stick is around 2.5 seconds. First input delay measures interactivity, how long it takes a page to process the interaction a user makes. A good target for that is around 100 milliseconds. And lastly is cumulative layout shift. This measures visual stability, how much of the content shifts as the page is loaded. Some websites load in things like images or JavaScript elements very slowly, which can reorder or shuffle around the content that's being displayed. A target here is 1/10 or less of overall shift. All right, that's a lot of technical information, so let's talk about what all of this means for website managers. First, you need to test your site and check out your scores. Google has an awesome free tool for this called PageSpeed Insights. You can also see this data in Google Search Console and track how your site performs over time. Second, performance is becoming more and more important to both users and search engines. Especially in competitive industries online like e-commerce, a slow loading site can lead to major headaches in terms of both usability and traffic. And it can ultimately impact your bottom line. Your performance matters, and monitoring your Core Web Vitals should be an important part of your recurring activities as a website manager.